Kia ora, and welcome to Reading Time with Loopy Tunes. Alright, our book today is Te Waiata Koa. It's the happy song written by, well, me, but put together by both of us. So if you haven't heard of us, Loopy Tunes Preschool Music, you can find us on everywhere. But you can buy the book on our website, which I will put, where should I put it? Should we go here? Zip. And check it out. Our other book's right behind it. Anyway, we will be reading that book, Reo Rua, bilingual, next. But should we welcome you? No mai kia koutou kei te pehe a koutou. Welcome everyone, how are you? No mai kia koutou kei te pehe a koutou. Ko te wā nui me te waiata. It's time to read and sing. We did it right. Yeah. We're slightly excited. Alright. We're going to sing Te Waiata Koa, the happy song. Now there's a part in the book where we're going to say dooby-doo up. So every time I point to Leah, I'll get you guys to go dooby-doo up. Okay? Te Waiata Koa, the happy song. And look, we've brought our birds back to help us. Kiwi's going to be the one going through all the emotions. Because us Kiwis are so emotional. We're really not. We're the opposite. Alright. Front page, you have some information on how to pronounce some of our Māori words and where to find the book. Sorry, the song. Alright, you ready? Ko te Waiata Koa. It's the happy song. Sing. Dooby-doo up. Turn that frown upside down and sing. Dooby-doo up. Mō te rā katoa. Smile all day long and sing. Dooby-doo up. Ready? A shoop-be-doo-be-doo-be-doo-be. Dooby-doo up. Look, can you see what is Kiwi doing to make Kiwi happy? Blowing bubbles. Does bubbles make you happy? I love bubbles. There's two kinds of bubbles. Alright. Oh no. He's tino pauri. He's sad in this part. He wā te rā. Ko au ka tino pauri. Sometimes there are those days when I feel really blue, really sad. Ka whakapaururu me aha ke kia he kia uwe. Me aha ke kia huri. My smiles turn upside down and I don't know what to do. Ka heke roi mata I aku pāpare ngā. Tears start falling down both sides of my face. But then, ka tahi ka mahara ki te Waiata Koa. I remember the happy song. Are you ready? Ko te Waiata Koa, it's the happy song. Sing. Dooby-doo-wah. Turn the frown upside down and sing. Dooby-doo-wah. Smile all day long and sing. Dooby-doo-wah. A shoop-be-doo-be-doo-be-doo-be. Dooby-doo-wah. That was well. Alright, what's Kiwi doing to make him happy here? Can you see it? Kiwi is playing with darts and with a friend. His friend Ruru's come along. That makes me happy when my friends come and play darts with me. My kids are playing darts outside right now. Oh no, this time he's tino hopo, he's scared. He rā anō ko au ka tino hopo. And then there are those days when I feel really scared. Ka weri oku papa, I te mataku no, my hands begin to shake from all those things I've feared. Ka wehi te pōko anake ka noho. Sometimes it's because it's dark or because I'm on my own. Ka tahi ka mahara ki te Waiata Koa. Now can we quickly have a look? Can you see what Snail's scared of? His shadow. Oh sorry, Kiwi is scared of Snail's shadow. But it's not scary. Right, because we remember the happy song. You ready? Ko te Waiata Koa, it's the happy song. Sing. Dooby-doo-wah. Turn the frown upside down and sing. Dooby-doo-wah. Smile all day long and sing. Dooby-doo-wah. A shoop-be-doo-be-doo-be-doo-be. Dooby-doo-wah. And here, can you see what Kiwi's making Kiwi happy? doing music with his friend Pukeko. Alright, this is our last emotion. Pukuriri, can you do a pukuriri face, an angry face? Ko awara hoki ka tino pukuriri. And then there are those days when I feel really mad. Ka tūhope, ka haparangi. I put my hands on my hips and I scream at mum and dad. Ah! But you would never scream at mum and dad. Ka hoha'o, ka pukukino, I'm grumpy and I'm angry and I stomp my feet real loud like this. Ka tahi ka mahara ki te Waiata Koa. Then I remember the happy song. You ready? Ko te Waiata Koa. It's the happy song. Sing. Dooby-doo-up. Turn the frown upside down and sing. Dooby-doo-up. Mo te rā katoa, Waiata. Dooby-doo-up. A shooby-dooby-dooby-dooby. Dooby-doo-up. Shooby-dooby-dooby-dooby. Dooby-doo-up. Yay.
Yay.
Kiwi went through quite a lot of emotions, didn't he? And you know what? We've actually got a game that goes with this where we follow Kiwi's emotions and we get to do lots of fun things with our families. So check that out on our website. Right there as well. Alright, shall we sing our song, the happy song? It's got a few actions. Leah's going to help you guys out with the actions. Ready? It's the happy song. Sing dooby-doo-up. Turn the frown upside down and sing dooby-doo-up. Smile all day long and sing dooby-doo-up. Shoop-be-doop-be-doop-be-doop-be-doop-be-doop-be-doop. Sometimes there are those days when I feel really blue. My smiles turn upside down and I don't know what to do. Tears start falling down both sides of my face. But then I remember that happy song. It's the happy song. Sing dooby-doo-up. Turn the frown upside down and sing dooby-doo-up. Smile all day long and sing dooby-doo-up. A shoop-be-doop-be-doop-be-doop-be-doop-be-doop-up. And then there are those days when I feel really scared. My hands begin to shake from all those things I feared. Sometimes it's 'cause it's dark or because I'm on my own. But then I remember that happy song. It's the happy song. Sing dooby-doo-up. Turn the frown upside down and sing dooby-doo-up. Smile all day long and sing dooby-doo-up. A shoop-be-doop-be-doop-be-doop-be-doop-be-doop-up. Can we do angry? And then there are those days when I feel really mad. I put my hands on my hips and I scream at mum and dad. Ah! I'm grumpy and I'm angry and I stomp my feet real loud. But then I remember that happy song. It's the happy song. Sing dooby-doo-up. Turn the frown upside down and sing dooby-doo-up. Smile all day long and sing dooby-doo-up. A shoop-be-doop-be-doop-be-doop-be-doop-be-doop-up. Shoop-be-doop-be-doop-be-doop-be-doop-up. Ooh, it's hard. Yay! We hope you enjoyed the Waiata Koa, a happy song. Have an awesome week.
Thank
Stay
you.
happy, even though we know there's going to be times when you're feeling not so happy. Remember the song. Alright, ka kite
Ka kite.
ka kite.